Hello everyone, and as you know, Yuta was back in the last episode of Jujutsu Kaisen Season 2, so let's draw him today using this reference. So first of all, we need to draw a circle according to the structure given in the reference. Draw it in the middle of the paper, and it can be of any size, but make sure the circle is round. The next, we have to draw the center line by splitting the circle into two equal parts. And then we need to split the circle into 4 equal parts by drawing a line for the eyes and then the other line for the eyes right below it. Okay, now these two lines are for the eyebrows. Next, I'm marking the nose, and you can notice the distance between all these 3 marks or lines is same. Next, I'm marking the eyes, and as you know, it's a bit side face, so the right eye is going to be a little bit smaller than the left one. I marked the chin at some distance from the end of the circle, and now I am drawing an oval for the ear. Now we need to lighten the structure a little bit just because we would be able to draw the raw sketch properly. I thought a lot and then I agreed in my mind to start the sketch with eyebrows. I drew this shadow thing a little bit and then I started drawing the eyebrow. It's easy in the sense because it's nearer to the center line than the eye, so it's easy to guess its presence. Now I'm drawing the other eyebrow in the same way, and as you guys have already seen that this tutorial is going to be super easy, so don't forget to watch till the end and grab your sketchbook and pencil like I always say and start drawing. But if you want to watch this tutorial first and then draw, that's okay too. And right now I'm drawing the eyelid, and after that I will start drawing the eye. And if you're on my channel for the first time, then don't forget to check out other tutorials, and if you like them, then subscribe to my channel too. Don't forget to tell me what do you think of my tutorials, or you simply can go to my Instagram. My ID is in the description of this video. I have a sore throat and severe flu, by the way, that's why I'm sounding like this. But as I decided to do voiceover in this video, so I was gonna do that no matter what. After all, I was the one who chose to do all that stuff, by the way. Mama Papa was not actually agreed. They wanted me to go to the college and I would have took 5 leaves for only flu. But anyway, I will still have to go back to college. Only 2 months left for me to work on this channel. I will be leaving soon at any time. But only if I could get this channel monetized in this 1 year. I may be here working on this channel forever. But now only 2 months left and I still need 1700 hours of watch time to get monetized, and there is no way to complete 1700 hours of watch time in just 2 months. But only if I get more and more people watching my videos, this target can be completed in just only 1 month. That's just a possibility. I don't know if this is going to happen. I don't know what I'm going to do with my life anymore. Anyway, let's focus on the drawing for now. But anyway, I still have 2 months and let's try to do my best to complete all the things that are required for monetization. Still don't know if I'm staying here forever. And for mouth, I drew these 2 lines first to mark its presence, and now I removed them and now drawing again neatly.
When a day's gone, we've only begun. That's the best part. When we get it on, I'm addicted on denying it.
In the tutorial, I'm done with the mouth and now I'm drawing jawline starting from the chin. And as Jujutsu Kaisen Season 2 has ended and I am wondering what I'm going to draw next, like these characters were the reason of the survival of my channel. So now I have decided to watch One Piece right from the latest episode, just to find which character will be suitable to draw next. And now it's time to draw the hair that are just above the forehead. And if you are thinking that this tutorial is good, then don't forget to like this video, comment your thoughts about it, and if you are new, then subscribe to my channel.
They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty. Best to give me loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty.
And finally, I'm done with the raw sketch, and now let's remove it a little bit and do the outline. And here for the outline and shading, I'm using a 3B pencil, which you can say is an average dark grade. You can still do all the outline and shading with your simple HB pencil, and for that you won't even need to remove the sketch. You can directly start the shading on the raw sketch you already did. Showing again that I am using 3B for shading too. And here I'm using a 4H pencil, which is a super light grade. It's for doing shading in the face. And now I'm again telling that you can do all the shading with your simple normal pencil by just increasing or decreasing the pressure you are applying over the pencil. Like you will be applying more pressure in the darker areas to do dark shading and very light pressure in the light areas. And that's how you will create different shades from only one pencil. And as you know, it's a beginner tutorial, so I'm not gonna do much shading in this video. And tutorial with full shading will be coming soon. And now finally it's time to do the signature, and after that let's go to see the final look. So here's the final look, and I hope you liked this tutorial and it was helpful. So if really yes, then don't forget to subscribe. Bye! Love you all!